Today, we are going to show you how to check commit history and logs in GitHub. This is useful when you want to track changes in your project or see what updates have been made. This tutorial is for use on your GitHub dashboard. First, we need to open our repositories. To do this, go to the left side of your GitHub dashboard. Here, you will see all your repositories listed. If you do not have a repository yet, you can create one here. For this example, we have a sample repository to work with. If you are not registered, you may not have any repositories yet. Once you click on your repository, you will be taken to the code section, where you will see your code straight away. If your repository has commits or changes, click on it to open it. This will display your repository under the code section. Here, you can see your commits, which represent the changes that have been made. To view those changes, simply click on a commit. You will then be taken to the history of your repository, where you can see the logs, the changes, and what was done on previous dates. You will find all of this in the commits section. This is where you can follow the progress of your repository over time. This feature helps you keep track of what has changed, when it changed, and who made the update, giving you better control over your project. Now you know how to check commit history and logs in GitHub.